What's up, everybody? Have you ever wanted to make a scalable progress bar slider or progress circle in Figma using components, but didn't know how to do it? Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. And what you will end up getting is something along the lines of this, where you can determine how big you want it to be, and what percentage you want it to take up. So let's dive in and I'll show you how to build these. So with the progress bar, what you need to do is you need to create a frame, and we're going to make this a frame. We'll give it some border radius, and then we're going to create a rectangle on top of that. And this rectangle is going to be the same. We're just going to give it a nice progress green color. So the issue with this is if we made a component out of this, and we wanted to change that in an instance, we're not able to resize it in any way. We would have to make multiple progress bars at multiple different widths in order to affect the progress bar. But what we can do is we can put some text in here, and we can group that with the green progress bar and apply auto layout to it. So what this does is this is going to make the progress bar grow as you type into it. So the only thing left for us to do is change the fill color of the text to whatever your background color of the progress bar is. And whenever you make that instance, all you need to do is just start typing into the progress bar, and you can make it a variable with progress bar. Pretty handy. The next piece I want to show you is the progress circle. So what you're going to do is make a circle component, and I'm sorry, just a shape. And when you hover over the shape, you're going to see this interesting little dot called an arc. And if you change the arc, or if you start to move it, you're going to make this kind of pie shape, Pac-Man looking character. It doesn't really matter where you set this, but just let it go. And then we are going to have a few different options. We can play with this, this little anchor point here and either change the sweep. We can rotate the axis of it, or we can play with this ratio element here. And so what we're going to do with this ratio element is we're going to break that out to like that. It seems good. And then we're going to take the sweep and we're going to connect it. So we have our outer layer of our progress circle. And then all we're going to do is Command D for duplicate. And we're going to give this the green color. Now what we can do is take the sweep and move that wherever we want. We'll give this a nice round border radius. Now you're probably thinking, if you make this a group and a component, how is it going to be variable in its particular instance? Well, the cool thing with these elements is you can independently change the sweep for the progress indicator in the circle, and it's not going to affect the master element. So just like that, you can have variable width progress circles and progress bars. Hope this was helpful and you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can create more awesome videos like this for you, and I will see you next time.